Hello students, today we are discussing about the expert systems under artificial intelligence. Before starting with the structure of expert systems, let us see what is an expert system. An expert system is a type of artificial intelligence system that emulates the decision-making ability of a human expert in a specific domain or field. Here, emulate means replicates. It is designed to solve complex problems by reasoning through knowledge stored in the system. An expert system mainly consists of three components: user interface, inference engine, and knowledge base. Let us see a diagram which will make it a bit more clear. Here we have a human expert who is transferring his knowledge to a knowledge engineer who is transferring all the data to our expert system, and this is the end users. This end user may or may not have any experience with expert system, that is, he might be a novice. Let us go inside this box and see what are the main components of an expert system. First, we come to the user interface, that is, this user interface here. With the help of a user interface, the expert system interacts with the user, takes queries as an input in a readable format, and passes it to the inference engine. When we are saying user here, we mean this person who might be a novice, and he can interact with the expert system via the user interface. After getting the response from the inference engine, it displays the output to the user. In other words, it is an interface that helps a non-expert user to communicate with the expert system to find a solution. We, as an example, can think about ChatGPT, and we are the users who can interact with the ChatGPT via the user interface provided to us. Let us go to the next component, that is the inference engine. The inference engine is also called rules of engine. The inference engine is known as the brain of the expert system, as it is the main processing unit of the system. It applies inference rules to the knowledge base to derive a conclusion or deduce new information. It helps in deriving an error-free solution of queries asked by the user. With the help of an inference engine, the system extracts the knowledge from the knowledge base. We will come to what is a knowledge base in a bit of time. There are two types of inference engine: the deterministic inference engine and the probabilistic inference engine. The deterministic inference engine is one which draws the conclusion, and the inference engine, the conclusions which are drawn are assumed to be true. So it is based on facts and rules. But in case of the probabilistic inference engine, it contains a certain uncertainty part in it, and it is based on probability. So we can say, like, most probably it is true. Inference engine uses the below modes to derive the solutions. First, we have forward chaining. It starts from the known facts and rules and applies the inference rules to add their conclusion to the known facts. And we have backward chaining. It is a backward reasoning method that starts from the goal and works backwards to prove the known facts. Next, we come to the knowledge base. The knowledge base is a type of storage that stores knowledge acquired from the different experts of the particular domain. It is considered as big storage of knowledge. The more the knowledge base, the more precise will be your expert system. It is similar to a database that contains information and rules of a particular domain or subject. One can also view the knowledge base as collection of objects and their attributes, such as a lion is an object and its attributes are it is a mammal, it is a non-domestic animal, etc. Now, after seeing all the components of an expert system, let us go through the human elements in the expert system. Now, already at the starting of the discussion, I had shown to you that we have basically three human components in the expert system. Let us go into the depth and see what are the roles and responsibilities carried out by each. First, we come to the expert. Who is the expert here? The leftmost person who is standing here as a human expert. The success of an expert system much depends on the knowledge provided by the human experts. These experts are those persons who are specialized in that specific domain. These experts actually play a vital role in forming our knowledge base. Next comes the knowledge engineer. That is this person. So the human expert transfers all his knowledge to the knowledge engineer. Knowledge engineer is the person who gathers the knowledge from the domain expert and then codifies that knowledge to the system according to the formalism. And at the end, we come to the end user. End user is a particular person or a group of people who may not be experts and working on the system needs the solution or advice for his queries which are complicated. Let us go back to the diagram once more and review it. So now we have learned about the human expert who transfers all his knowledge to the knowledge engineer who codifies all the things and then puts into the expert system. Remember one more point. The knowledge base the better is your, the knowledge base betterment is a very important concept here. If your knowledge base is not a good one, the solution might not be a precise one. Next, we have the user, who is not an expert, but he knows how to send a query to the expert system and then get a result out of it. I hope the concept is clear now. Thank you, students.